Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can increase your conversion rate on your Shopify store so you can make more sales, generate more income, and ultimately be more successful. So let's jump into it. So this guide is going to be very simple, and I'm going to go through a few things that are easy to do right now, today. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and do is have a look at offering free gifts or discounts on products. Okay. So you can do this on the actual product that people are buying. You can offer a free gift, or you can go over to discounts on the left hand side over here, and you can select individual products and offer discounts to those actual products. Okay, so if you can create a discount on the right hand side over here, you can either select an amount off a product. You can buy one item and get another item for free. You can also get an amount off of an order, or you can offer free shipping. Now, in my experience, free shipping always does well because people are paying for a product and are not really keen on paying to get that product to them. All right, so that is the very first thing that we can have a look at. The next thing that you want to go ahead and do is jump into products. All right, so this product page over here, you can see I've got a few products, and I'm going to go into this Bustle Little Green Pet Deluxe. Okay, this is a vacuum cleaner, and as you can see here, I've got a nice full title, and I've got all the details about the actual product itself. You can also go ahead onto the left hand side, and we're going to open our store, and on this page over here, you will see that my product is one of two things. It is on sale, so you can see I have dropped the price. Okay, and we actually have a video to show you how to make this happen over here. So even if this is your actual selling price, you just want to create the illusion that you are now selling the product at a lower price. And then the very next thing about this product is that we have frequently bought together options here. So this product over here is a vacuum cleaner, all right, and then this product over here is in fact the filter replacement kit for the vacuum cleaner. Okay, and it also gives you the option to add both of those items to your cart when you're making this purchase. Now, this is great for when people are jumping in wanting to make a purchase. They don't have to go and shop around for other products that are related to this product. There again, you're trying to make the most out of your sales, and you are going to increase your conversion rate. The next thing we're going to have a look at is jumping into our app store and looking for apps that we can integrate with our store to make a purchase for a customer easier. All right, so some of the apps that I am using currently, if you go into the apps over here, is the frequently bought, and that's what you saw over here. That is that plugin for the frequently bought products. That is a fantastic way of upselling. And one of the other apps that I am currently using is the Pagefly page builder. Now, this is wonderful if you want to create a landing page and you want to give special offers, or if you want to create an emailing list and offer people certain discounts or specials on their first purchase or on their 10th purchase, or whatever the case may be. But you want to increase customer engagement, and you want to do this by going ahead and trying to increase the value that you're giving to your customers. So if you go into apps and you go all recommended apps and down to the Shopify app store, in this app store you can find tons of apps that make your life easier and also make your store and your products look more valuable to your customer. The very last thing that I want to address is being absolutely transparent and honest about your products. If you have a product that is a wet and dry vacuum cleaner perhaps, then make sure that you have all of that information in the description. There's nothing worse than looking through a description and that description is not answering every single one of the questions that you have in your head while you're trying to buy the product, right? You want to try and increase the chance of people purchasing a product from you. So you want to make sure that all your information is in your description, and you want to make sure that you are honest about that and as transparent as possible so people can see absolutely everything they need to see and there are no question marks coming up while they are trying to purchase a product. If you do have any return policies, make sure that it is in fact displayed somewhere on your products page, or it's somewhere on your homepage, or if you have a specific page dedicated to that, make sure it's visible so people understand what they're buying and how they're buying it. Now, if you want to learn more about Shopify, you can go ahead and explore our channel. We've got tons of awesome Shopify content to help you learn and help you grow. We'll see you on the other side. Peace out.